Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I'm going to, in 12 hours, do the NASDAQ as well. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. I called it quite well if you've been following my Elliott wave count up, my ABC correction down, hitting 28,500. I said 29K. And then my target was 21K. Now that target has become 24K. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And you can learn all of this in the Crypto Master Course, number 1 in the description, 12 lessons if you want to go deeper. Unity was down 4% yesterday, massive drop after the pump, which is beautiful because I want it to come down to make that final order at $24, another 60K. The rest of the market quite flat, Bitcoin even, MCRT even, Intel slightly even, Unity down 4%, Match down 2.4%, Tesla 1.5%, Meta 1%, Google 1%. So the NASDAQ getting hit pretty hard. Bitcoin, this is the count on Bitcoin, the Elliott wave count that you've been watching as we've moved up. So you can see here, we've had this Elliott wave count from the beginning of the year 2023 down here. We started the year, 16K impulse first, second corrective, third impulse, fourth corrective, fifth impulse, final A, B, C correction. Now you can see we're in that final C wave correction. Bitcoin is holding on this very strong support here, but we're not getting much of a bounce here. But there is a lot of support. But I would go long from this orange trend line because you can see Bitcoin has been climbing this orange trend line. I still expect Bitcoin to fall down to that final C wave correction, but now I don't think it will go so far. I think the C wave correction will be 24K. So my two trades are still in effect. I would still take this trade setup, opening at 26,559, stop loss 25,772, take profit 28,000 for that short-term bounce of this of the orange trend line, the yearly trend line, risking $287 to make $2,500 without leverage, 10x leverage 25,000, 100x leverage $250,000 profits. It's 8.76 risk to reward, so risking 287 to make 2,500 without leverage. And that's one Bitcoin trade. And then I would short it down after that bounce. I would short it here to get that final C wave correction if we're not already in it. Targeting down here, this support, that final C wave. So this is a long. This is a long, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course, number 1 in the description. This is where the trade opens on the gray line. This is where the stop loss will automatically trade the close if it goes against us. Close the trade if it goes against us. And this is where the take profit is. This is a short. This is once Bitcoin bounces here to come up, I want to short it to come down and make money on Bitcoin dropping to 24K. Risk to reward is 13 times, risking $284 to make $3,889 with no leverage, 10x leverage $38,000, 100x leverage $380,000 profits. And then the final trade is this is when I would go for a big long on this C bounce. Then we start the next Elliott wave impulse up. And this one is a big trade, risking $421 to make almost $10,000. So these are my 3 trades on Bitcoin. I'm going to share them in the Telegram. We have a free Telegram. If you want to join that Telegram under the video, so under this video in the description, go down below under the video, the description, 1, trading on Bybit using that link, you get a $30,000 bonus. OKX has a promotion right now where you can win up to $60,000 or $70,000 in prizes for the next few weeks. Also on BingX, you can trade. It's USA friendly. Binance, you get that bonus. And the Crypto Master Course, you can, number 2 in the description, learn how to set up the bots trade. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. All the links are in the description of this video. And you can see here, OKX right now has a promotion for James Crypto Guru, for the Guru audience. 18 days and 22 hours until the registration ends. Exclusive event. You can unlock up to $60,000 in rewards by making an OKX account using this link down below. Using that link, bit.ly/OKX. There's up to $60,000 in rewards, not $70,000 like it's $60,000 in rewards with 18 days remaining. So make sure you use that link to sign up, which will be beautiful. And you can see here, this was my buy on Intel at $30. I've got a buy order set for Intel. Also, Bybit has a trade, spin, and win. You can get a 50 USDT airdrop, an iPhone 15 Pro, an iPad, Apple headphones, trade, spin, and win with JCG. So you can join that as well. The link is down below for Bybit here to spin and win for that iPhone 15, which will be beautiful. Let's jump into Ethereum now. So those are my trades on Bitcoin, which I'll share in the Telegram. Let's go into Ethereum. And in 12 hours, I'm going to do the NASDAQ and monitor the tech stocks because I'm a little bit worried how it's pulling back right now. This is Ethereum coming down. Oh, did it activate our trade? No, it came very close to activating our trade. 1515. Our trade was at 1507, so we just missed it by a little bit. Stochastic very oversold on the daily. Extremely oversold. Whenever the stochastic, this line down here, is below the dotted lines, that's time to be buying. When it's above dotted lines, time to be exiting, overbought. So you can see, as I teach you in the crypto course, so you can see that Ethereum is quite oversold on the daily. Look at that, how oversold it is. On the weekly, oversold. On the monthly, overbought a little bit. I still expect this trend line that we've been on all year to hold. Same with Bitcoin. So I do expect a bounce from here. So I'll take this trade on Ethereum. Opening 1507, stop loss 1472, take profit 2264, risk to reward 21 times. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. And over on Bybit in my account, $313,000 in here. I've got my Bitcoin trade still open, $824 in the profits. I've got $313,000 trade here. I've got USDT 122,000 ready to deploy. Bitcoin 28,000, Uniswap 26,000, down 2%. Oh, it's dropping further, Uniswap. I'm going to buy it as it comes down, but quite a big drop on the alts the last few days. Doge 25,000, which I've got buy orders at 0.05. FXS 22,000, up 6% yesterday. Lucky I didn't sell that yesterday, which is beautiful because I saw it showing strength. MCRT about even, 21,000, and that's what I'm holding in my account right now. You can see I've got buy orders for Uniswap open, 1,000 it's buying right now. FXS, I've got a buy order at $3.90. Doge, I've got a buy order at 0.048, and this is my Bitcoin long, which is beautiful. Everything you saw here in the description, 1, 2, 3, the links to the exchanges. OKX has this promotion, $60,000 worth of prizes, and Bybit has this spin and win promotion. The links are down below to win that iPhone 15. And join us in the Telegram. I'll share the trades in there and talk with the other 9,000 gurus all together. Love you all. Have an amazing day. In 12 hours, I'm going to make a video on the NASDAQ, Bitcoin, and the tech stocks. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, make noise on the algorithm, make noise on the comments, make noise on the thumbs up every video, and comment down below what tickers do you want me to analyze. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.